Today, I will introduce you to the Levoit Dual 150 Ultrasonic Air Humidifier. With a 3-liter tank and up to 25 hours of constant mist, the Levoit Dual 150 Ultrasonic Humidifier offers comfort and creates a healthy environment in the home. Let's open the box to see what we find inside. First, we find user manuals. And in a bag, we find the humidifier. Here at the top, we have the nozzle through which the steam will come out. It can rotate 360 degrees. This is the top, where we will put water. And this is the base. Here we have some more instructions. Thanks to ultrasonic technology, the humidifier produces a fine jet of mist that disperses throughout the room without affecting the noise level in the home. Proper humidity can help prevent respiratory problems, such as allergies and asthma, as well as improve sleep quality. Shall we add water to see how it goes? I turned it on and wow, it does something. I had a small one before this Levoit Dual 150 Ultrasonic, but it barely felt like it was humidifying the air after a whole night. It also has a light function, so you can see the steam jet better. What do you think? Can you raise the humidity in the room with this humidifier from Levoit? If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like.